welcome. How about we look at what my fucking hair looks like, because it looks a fucking mess. Oh yeah, what the fuck was I thinking? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Finally, a tutorial. I feel like it's been a minute. I don't know how long it's been, but we're here. Today I'm going to show you how to get this Blue's Clues. Here's my little blue. Inspired makeup look, really, because I bought this cute Blue's Clues skirt. It's beautiful, pleated skirt. I love it, and I just wanted to do my makeup so I could wear this skirt. You guys know my makeup matching my clothes is everything, so let's get into it. If you guys are ready to get into this Blue's Clues look, make sure you go ahead and keep on watching. Hope you guys have been enjoying the content so far, but it is time for another makeup tutorial. This is not my intro, so you guys know what this is, so we're gonna jump into it because I don't have time. This is my lunch break, so very busy. I don't like filming in the middle of the week or till the end of the week, so this is a lot, but they have us going back in the office once a month. We'll talk about it later. So, you guys know I love blue, but did you guys know I love Blue's Clues? Probably after the intro. And this look is honestly just so I can wear my Blue's Clues skirt because it's beautiful from Dumb Good and I love it. I got an idea of what I want to do, not the blue that I want to use. So I want to use maybe 2-3 blues for this look. So this Paradise Islands palette it's gotta be it. So I'm gonna go into Dolphin with my Morphe E36. You guys know I love using this brush when I'm going to be using multiple colors in the crease, which I will be doing today. And I think the first time I did multiple colors was when I did my Sour Patch Kids look, the very first one. I really want to bring Light Candy back. I just need candies to use. And suggestions have been trash. So I don't know. I still have to find some. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments down below. But I'm going to start in the inner corner with this beautiful blue called Dolphin. And what I want to do is use multiple blues. I'm going to put some, we're going to do it like that, on the lid too. Just for this color because it's the inner corner color. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to use this look over the nose, like how I did my Doulahan look, where there was like some color over the nose. It was black and then the rhinestones. I'm gonna do that. We're gonna do some jeweled freckles today because I feel like I need something fun. Life has been lifing and it's hard. It's not a chit chat get ready with me, but if you guys want to talk, we can talk, because you know shit's bad and you're going through it when you get a text that says, hey, how's everything? And you fucking start crying. I know. But that's life. But it was from a really good friend. We've been friends for so long. Well, I believe it has to be over 10 years since high school. And we don't talk often, but every time we do, that's my guy, yo. I love him to death. Check out his channel, A+ Gaming. He's been streaming, and he will be streaming Hogwarts Legacy. I've been playing it like all last weekend, which is why I didn't film a video, and I should have, and now look at me struggling. I'm just using my Ultra Color Switch to clean off my brush, so I can go into the darker blue in this palette, which is gorgeous, and it is called Huahin. And I'm just going to use this in the crease as well. But yeah, he's playing Hogwarts Legacy. I played it last week. I've logged like 40 hours in that game so far. Yeah, 40 hours in that game, and it said that I've only done 46% of the challenges, so that's kind of crazy to me. But I'm at the end, and I might stream over on my Twitch the final boss fight with, what is it? Is his name Rancop? I don't know what this goblin's name is, but it's a goblin, and he's bad, and he's the last boss fight for the main story. I still have tons of side missions to do, obviously, and challenges. And I'm not like Justin Black Guy, Lawrence Turner, who wants 100% the game, but I want to get a lot done. or DJ Jin, who wants to get platinum in that game, which is insane. That's crazy. But yeah, I might stream it on Twitch. If you don't know what my Twitch is, go ahead, check out my Instagram. It's in there. It's in my link tree. So yeah, lots of things. That game has been like honestly saving me from like drifting off into some terrible, my skin, drifting off into some terrible thoughts. Life is very stressful and it sucks. As you guys have heard, I cried because I got a text message. That's crazy to me, but that's what really happened. And whatever. We here, and I'm trying to get some videos out for you guys. Obviously, my last video, well, obviously my Truly Beauty video was very different. If you haven't seen, check it out. I'm just like not happy with the quality of their products and how they change everything without notice, and I just felt like it was very misleading and dishonest in what they were doing. Switching out, we're going back into Dolphin. I don't know why I did that. I didn't even have any iced coffee, but I did have Doritos. But yeah, so they're switching out their ingredients and changing it. They're not changing it on the website, and it was just a mess to me. A mess to me. But I'm happy to be doing a blue look. Yeah. So I'm just gonna, this one's going to be pretty short because I'm going to go back and use that Hua-Hin on the outer corner. I took out my Norvina palette. Which one is this? I don't know. The blue one, volume 2. Just in case, but I feel like this palette has all the blue that I need. Look at that. It's gorgeous. And I use this palette a lot for blue looks, but it's just so pretty. What am I gonna do? I just saw that Nomad Cosmetics is dropping another palette, and it really looks gorgeous. I'm gonna go back and touch up that Hua-Hin before I go ahead and finish up the outer corner. It's just not as, you know, this is my little eye. Take some adjusting. So it looks a little different, but I'm gonna touch it up before we go on to the outer corner. But it's gonna be a pretty simple look. I say that and I be lying, but I think it's easy. I feel like if you follow along, if you've been following along, you kind of know how I do things, and it's not too bad. Not too bad. Now the skirt is light blue. You guys will see it in the thumbnail, I'm sure. But like you need dimension. Okay, that's fine. This is also the color that I'm going to use to smoke out the lower lash line. I'm gonna have a light blue in the waterline. You guys know I bought all those eyeliners from LA Girl, and I'm going to use them. That's it right now for the transition in the crease. I'm gonna go ahead, clean this up a little bit. I'm gonna cut the crease, and we're gonna decide which lid shade we're gonna use. I'm looking at Shark, but I feel like I use it all the time. I'm probably gonna use it. I'll be right back. Okay. Cut the crease. I didn't know how I was gonna cut the crease. I feel like I want to use 2 shadows on the lid, just because it should be really blue. So I'm gonna go in with Ocean. We're gonna start that towards the inner corner, and then we'll go back in, and then we'll go into Shark for the rest. So I'm just going to take, this is my 234, my Smoky Shader Brush by Zoeva, and this is more like a periwinkle color. And if you guys, do you guys remember periwinkle from Blue's Clues? Y'all probably don't, because y'all don't know nothing about nothing. And I'm going to use this on the inner corner. This is very soft. It's lighter than I thought it would be. I don't know how I feel about that, but we're in it. We're not going to change it. Trying to make sure this video is not too long because I have so much to do and I'm stressed out. Stressed out. Life is life into the max. Whew. And I just can't. I don't think that looks too bad. I think I'm gonna wear my Braddies just because I know where they are. Cleaning off my brush, and we're gonna go in the shark. At any point, if I feel like it's not like vibrant enough, even though I know this color, I think I'll just go over it with my NYX glitter primer, and then we'll make the color pop that way. I don't know how to feel. I don't know how to feel. 25% on 25. I'm sorry. I don't know. Doesn't look bad. You guys know to trust the process. I hope y'all do because y'all should just trust me. And I'm kind of going over some of that periwinkle because it was just too much and it wasn't doing what I thought it would do. It wasn't giving what it was supposed to give, you know? So I'm wearing white shorts right now, and did I get blue eyeshadow on them? I sure did. But I'm only wearing them because I'm wearing a pleated skirt, and who told me to buy a pleated skirt? Because when I tried it on, I was like, oh, my whole ass is outside. Let me order some shorts right now. And that's what happened. I'm going to go back and touch up the Hua-Hin on the outer corner, but I have to go get my brush. Got it. All right, so let's get into it. All right, just like I said, touching up the outer corner with my E36 in that Hua-Hin shade, just to blend it all together. So I can get ready to do the rest off camera because, y'all, it's a lot. All right, that's it for the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up off camera. I'm not sure if I want to show you guys how I'm gonna do like the blushing freckled part. So I'll decide. I think I might. So I'm gonna go do pretty much the rest of my face, and I'll show you guys how I go ahead and make it a blushing look over the nose. I just want you guys to know I recorded this clip, the beginning already, but my mic wasn't on. Anyway, most of my face is just about done. My base is down. Everything's good. I just have to finish up my highlight. I only highlighted the bridge of my nose and my cupid's bow and my brow bone, but obviously there's no eyeliner, no lashes, no lips. They look crusty right now, and that is because I just want to show you guys how I would do the little blush, right? But it's blue. So here's my angled fluffy brush. I'm going to be using this. I'm going to go into Dolphin, which is the lighter blue that I used, and I'm going to just lightly go over my nose. And it can get messy, but it's risky, right? So my face is going to be down just so I can go over the bridge of my nose and blow it out. So it's kind of like that Violet Beauregard from Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. I was gonna say Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, but it doesn't matter. They're the same. And we're gonna bring it out. So I'm starting with very little, and we're gonna build it up that way. So my boiler was going off and was just very rude. I think this is how I want it though. Make sure it just like fades out a little bit over here. But it's built up enough. As I was saying, go ahead, finish off camera, adding my jewels, finish up the rest of my face, and I'm gonna be cute, I swear. It's gonna be very Blue's Clues. The skirt is so cute, y'all. I can't wait. So I'll be back, guys, to show you the final look.
This right here is my mug. In slow motion, my mug. A beauty. beauty, shawty, you can't compare to. So book me and I'll do it for you.
That's on French fries. That's on French fries.
Guys, this is the final look. I love it. I love it because I love blue and I love Blue's Clues. And here's my little Blue. Blue's actually a girl, for those who don't know. Tweety Bird is a boy. Just put it out there for you guys. So I got this at my friend's, she had a party for her son and she made cute little, she made everything. Everything was so cute. And I got Blue because I love Blue's Clues. I've even commissioned my friend to make me, to paint me a Blue's Clues picture that's in a really cute frame. It's in my bedroom, but I absolutely love Blue's Clues. Growing up, I had the thinking chair, I had the notebooks, the crayons. That was my show, okay? My show. But guys, this is my look. So almost all, my hair. So, oh God, I'm a mess. Just about the entire look was done on camera. You guys get to see how I made the little blush. I just added my jewels. In the waterline is a LA Girl shop. Oh, this is a LA Girl Pastel Dream Eyeliner. I think it's in baby blue or something like that. Just, it's cute. That's in the waterline. The highlight, y'all, nobody guessed my favorite number. We're gonna run it, we're gonna run it back. And if you can guess my favorite number in the comments down below, I will send you one of these Hot Shot highlighters. It is so beautiful. It is my favorite highlight. I use it all the time. And they're being discontinued. I don't know if they're still on sale. I know my cosmetics, but I bought 6 of them because I never want to run out. And I have so much in here that I probably need to buy 1 or 2 more that will last me the rest of my life. But mind your business. But that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love it. I love the look. I guess you guys can't see my skirt. I'll put pictures of my skirt, and you should already be following me on Instagram so that you can see it, right? Right. But I'll throw some in the thumbnail too. But that is it. If you like the video, if you like the look, make sure you go ahead and like the video. For me, it helps me out a lot. All the likes, the better. It helps me get my videos out there in the YouTube. There's a hair somewhere in the YouTube algorithm, and so I can continue to make videos for you guys, and I don't feel discouraged that, like, all right, I'm doing this for what, you know? You know. But if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew, so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.